Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a Aldi grocery haul for you guys today. This was actually filmed before all of this coronavirus came over to the US, so obviously everything in the stores was still stocked and I was able to get everything, but I've just now gotten around to editing it and uploading it for you guys. But I did lose the receipt, so I'm not able to put the prices of everything like I have in the past, but I just hope you guys enjoy and let me know if you want any recipes of the meals that I make. I know I didn't include it, but I will try to remember what I'm making and type it out in the recipe box or in the description box below. But I'm not, like, this was a couple weeks ago, so I'm already on a different menu, but I hope you guys enjoy. First off, I bought 2 of these cheesy skillet beef stroganoff meals for dinners. Crispy honey oats, one with honey and one without for the breakfast for the children. I got 4 things of macaroni and cheese for lunches for the kids. And there's my second box of stroganoff. I got a container of saltine crackers to go with chili one night. A box of pancake mix to just have pancakes for breakfast, or maybe I'll do some chocolate pancakes for a snack. Baking soda just for cooking and cleaning and stuff. And then I also got this cheddar powder to go on popcorn. It was an impulse buy at the register. I got 2 packs of chili seasonings for chili for one dinner, a dozen eggs for breakfasts for the kids or just for baking, a can of diced tomatoes, and I believe I got 2 cans of the just plain kidney beans, and then I got 4 cans of mild chili beans, and all of these cans are going to be for chili one night. 2 cans of spaghetti sauce for spaghetti and meatballs. 2 cans of Alfredo sauce for chicken Alfredo. I also got 2 cans of mandarin oranges and 2 cans of chunked pineapples to go as a side for the kids' lunches. And 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup to go in a casserole. Another impulse buy was these puff corn chips. They were so good. 2 brioche buns to go with burgers for one night. I got some regular white bread and then just some sandwich bread because I knew we'd be having quite a bit of sandwiches in the upcoming weeks for lunches and everything. 2 containers of veggie straws for the kids' lunches. A sour cream and onion chips. I do believe I got 2 of those for big kids, for our adults, for our lunches. And then 2 restaurant-style tortilla chips to go with tacos and chicken tacos for dinners one night. I forgot I had already showed the eggs, so I couldn't remember, so I showed eggs again. A container of small tortillas to go with our tacos, a regular ketchup, and then I do buy organic ketchup for the kids because it has no corn syrup, a container of flour and sugar for baking and just to wherever we need it. I had to put all of the containers away, so I had more room to film the rest of it. So let's get with the second half. I got, I believe it was 3 containers of chicken, and what I do is I divvy them up into different meals: seasoned french fries and spaghetti and meatballs, hamburger patties for our hamburgers one night, chicken wings for hot wings, and the fries will go with this meal as well, a 3-pound log of ground beef and Polish sausages, hot dogs for the kids' lunches, bananas for snacks, olive oil, coffee creamer, and a gallon of milk, some lunch meat for just Nate's lunches, and also 2 containers of cheese to go as sides or snacks or just for whatever. I got this bacon or this avocado ranch salad that was really yummy when we ate it. Strawberries, fingerling potatoes for dinners, and then the strawberries were on sale, so I did pick up a container of those. I also got frozen broccoli. I believe I got 4 of those just for sides to go with any of the meals. Sour cream to go with one of our casseroles. So I did get, and I got 3 things of chili seasonings. A container of butter and some regular apples. Cabbage to go with our Polish sausage, and baby carrots for a side or snacks for the kids. And also a bag of regular salad. And I do believe that's it. See you in the next one.